Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make pop cups. For the past 2 years I've made these for Molly's birthday and she absolutely devoured them. I hope you enjoy! You'll need a cupcake baking tin, bowl, vegetable oil, low sodium peanut butter, baking soda, almond flour, baking powder, cupcake liners, measuring spoons, and apples or carrots. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Pour a half cup of almond flour in the bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of low sodium peanut butter. Low sodium because of the congestive heart failure. A 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then mix it all up very well. Imagine you're making a peanut butter cookie dough ball, because after this round of mixing, that's exactly what it'll look like. A lot of the batter was sticking onto the spoon, so I tried scrubbing it back into the bowl so it didn't go to waste. Ta-da! Now, we're going to chop up some apples or carrots. Last year I used carrots, this year I used apples. And she ate both of them. When you're done chopping until your heart's content, go ahead and add it to the batter. And then, you guessed it, mix it! Whenever you feel like the mixture is ready, go ahead and put your cupcake liners in the tin. I love when I can use my reusable cupcake liners because I can just use them and wash them and use them again. I had so much batter for some reason, and so I decided to use and finish off my paper cupcake liners because I only had, I think, 2 silicone ones. You can clearly see there are 4, but I ended up making 4 more, so 8 total. Let's go ahead and pop those into the oven for 10 minutes. I let Molly lick the remaining peanut butter off the spoon. I also gave her some of the leftover apples. Let's check in on those cupcakes. When the cakes are done baking, they'll be a little brown and crunchy on top, have a crispy cake base, and it's able to keep its shape when removing the liner, but also fragile enough to delicately fall completely apart if touched wrong. As long as the middle is thoroughly cooked, it's ready. I put a candle in it, sang happy birthday, took some pictures, and was finally able to give it to her. I broke it up because it's a huge cupcake, and she didn't leave any crumbs behind. I don't care how annoying I sound, but she is so cute! Look at her face! Oh, my baby. Yes! I hope you had a lot of fun making this cupcake for your baby. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you have a great day.